Hi, my name is Tara Klein and I work for Vista Sotheby's International Realty in Manhattan Beach. Welcome to my fabulous new listing in Hermosa Beach, 501 Herondo Street, Unit 40.
Enjoy your life at the beach in this lovely Hermosa Beach condo in the desirable Moorings complex, which is conveniently located just a few blocks away from the Pacific Ocean, local shops, and restaurants. Your front door is just a few steps away from the wood chip trail, which is perfect for jogs or brisk walks. The tri-level townhome has a fully remodeled kitchen, spacious twin master bedroom suites with updated bathrooms, walk-in closets, and new carpet. The unit has a large first floor bonus room, which can be used as an office, a gym, or a playroom. The living room receives a lot of natural sunlight throughout the day, has wood-style flooring, and is connected to the extra-large dining room by a floating fireplace, which creates an open and airy atmosphere. There is also a powder room for guests. Adjacent to your roomy dining area is a private terrace, so you can enjoy your indoor-outdoor living at the beach.
I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions or you'd like to schedule an appointment, my contact information is at the end of this video.